students, today we study some important terms which are necessary to understand the lesson 5 principles of inheritance and variations biology class 12th. So let us we go through each and every term. These terms are very important so many times asked in the competitive examinations too and in the board examinations में तो ये आती ही आती हैं. So let us we go through one by one. Very important one. First of all, genetics. Genetics term was given by William Bateson first time. Genetics is the branch of biology which deals with the study of inheritance and variations. बायोलॉजी की वह ब्रांच जो इनहेरिटेंस और वेरिएशंस की स्टडी में हेल्प करती है. दिस इज नोन एज जेनेटिक्स. फादर ऑफ जेनेटिक्स इज नोन एज ग्रेगर जोहन मेंडल और वी कैन से ओनली मेंडल. मेंडल इज द फादर ऑफ जेनेटिक्स. एक्चुअली मेंडल वाज नॉट अ जेनेटिस्ट और ही वाज नॉट अ साइंटिस्ट. ही वाज अ monk in the Brunn city of Austria country and he was the monk in a church, but he was the fond of the gardening. वो एक माली का काम अच्छे से जानते थे, उन्हें शौक था गार्डनिंग का और इसी शौक के चलते उन्होंने इतने बड़े बड़े लॉज दे दिए जेनेटिक्स के. उन्हें पता भी नहीं चला उन्हें कब में वो लॉज दे दिए. एंड ही यूज द pea plant, that is garden pea, Pisum sativum plant for his experiment due to several reasons. Because it is the short lived plant, इसका लाइफ साइकिल बहुत छोटा है. Near about 4 generations can be created within a year and it have many of the contrasting characters which are the base of the Mendelian laws. आगे चल के पढ़ेंगे डिटेल में. So let us we go through the other terms. Inheritance. Inheritance is the process by which the characters are inherited from ancestors to their offspring. Means पुरखों से characters का संतति में आना एक तरह का इसे कहते हैं inheritance. तो this is the inheritance, the process. Now gene. The term gene was coined by Johanson in 1909. These are the unit of inheritance and they require to express a particular trait located on the chromosomes. अब आप देखिए the correlation between genes, chromosomes, nucleus and DNA. This is a very important one. So please go through this correlation. Suppose this is the or genes are located on the chromosomes. अभी बताएंगे उसे भी. तो this is suppose this is the nucleus. This is nucleus. And chromosomes are found inside the nucleus. Suppose this triangle show the chromosomes and genes are located on the chromosomes. Chromosomes के ऊपर genes located हैं. This square show the genes. यहाँ ले लेते हैं इसे. इसे हम लेते हैं. This is DNA and these are the genes. So this is the correlation between genes, DNA, chromosomes and nucleus. This is very important phenomenon. हमें जानना चाहिए correlation. हमने सुना होगा कि genes कहाँ रहते हैं? Genes chromosome के ऊपर रहते हैं. Chromosomes कहाँ रहते हैं? Chromosomes आपके nucleus के अंदर होते हैं. In initial stage, chromosomes look like the thread-like structure, and this is known as chromatin. And during the metaphase stage of cell division, we can see the chromosomes in this phase. ऐसे होते हैं. ये इसकी arms होती हैं. And these are the genes. Genes are located on the chromosome. So these are the genes. These are the genes. और एक correlation सबके बीच. Suppose this is the nucleus present inside the cells. In eukaryotic cells, chromosomes are present inside the nucleus and genes located on the chromosome like just. and genes are the units of the DNA, or we can say that genes are made up of DNA, hence DNA is the genetic material. This is very important correlation between all. Now other term is the alleles. Alleles term it was also coined by W. Batson. W. Batson coined the term alleles. तो हमने अब तक देखा genetics, father of genetics, inheritance, genes, now alleles. Genes, alleles are the genes which code for a pair of contrasting traits. That is, alleles may be homozygous. For example, small t or small capital T, capital T. These are the recessive homozygous. These are the dominant homozygous. Recessive, which can't express their characteristics in the offspring, while dominant can express their characteristic. That is capital T and denoted for the tall plant, while small t denoted the dwarf plant. तो आगे पढ़ेंगे हम लॉज में मेंडल के. Now heterozygous genes, alleles, for example, capital T, small t. This is a kind of hybrid genes. Now phenotype. Phenotype is the visible or morphological characters. For example, height and color, जो हमें दिखाई दे रहे हैं बाहर से, जो हम आंखों से देख रहे हैं, these characters are known as phenotype, है ना. और morphological character is known as phenotype of an organism or plant body. Now genotype, genetic makeup of an organism is known as genotype. It describes the complete set of an organism. For example, हम यदि phenotype की बात करें, suppose this is the tall plant and this is the dwarf plant. हमें दिखाई दे रहा है सेम स्पीसीज के दो प्लांट, एक टॉल है एक ड्वार्फ है, तो दिस इज द phenotype. यदि कलर देखें, फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज द रेड कलर, डिनोटेड द रेड, है ना, और स्मॉलर दिस द व्हाइट कलर, तो दिया द phenotype. But what is the genetic makeup? For example, if a plant consisting of this kind of situation, this is its genotype. That is genes, one allele consisting of a capital letter and another allele consisting of the small. That is, it is the combination of both. So this is the genotype. So this genotype express the complete setup of an organism. उसके complete setup को express करता है. Now monohybrid cross. It is a type of cross when a cross is made between two plants. Consider only a pair, that is single pair of contrasting characters. For example, height of the plant. यानी कि जब केवल एक contrasting characters मीनिंग एक विभेदक लक्षण को लेकर जब क्रॉस कराया, हाइट मीन्स एक की हाइट बड़ी है एक की हाइट छोटी है, तो दिस इज द contrasting character. Here only one contrasting character taken into consideration, and such kind of cross is known as monohybrid cross. And Mendelian two laws is based on the monohybrid cross, that is law of dominance and law of segregation. Both are based on the monohybrid cross. Now dihybrid cross. It is a kind of cross when two pairs of characters are taken into consideration in a cross. यानी कि यहाँ पे एक साथ दो कैरेक्टर्स को लिया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कैपिटल वाई कैपिटल आर वर्सेस स्मॉल आई, दैट इज येलो राउंड सीडेड पी प्लांट्स. यानी कि एक कैरेक्टर हुआ येलो राउंड, ये दोनों डोमिनेंट कैरेक्टर्स हैं विच कैन एक्सप्रेस इन द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. दूसरे रिसेसिव कैरेक्टर्स इसके अगेंस्ट स्मॉल आई, दैट इज wrinkled green. यानी कि येलो राउंड कैरेक्टर्स डोमिनेंट कैरेक्टर्स वर्सेस wrinkled green character. So here two contrasting characters taken into consideration in a cross. This is known as dihybrid cross. Now Punnett square. This square was given by or generated by the Reginald C. Punnett. It is a graphical representation to calculate the probability of all possible genotypes of an offspring in a genetic cross. कैसे होता है इसमें? Suppose this is the इसका हमें देखना है। तो हियर बोथ कैपिटल टी कैपिटल स्मॉल स्मॉल स्मॉल। तो दिस इज द इफ द जीनोटाइप ऑफ दिस क्रॉस और फिनोटाइप ऑफ दिस क्रॉस, फिनोटाइप हम देखेंगे हियर दिस इज टॉल, these two are the hybrid tall and this one is the dwarf plant. So phenotype is the 3:1, that is 3 are the tall and 1 is the dwarf, while the genotype is the 1 is pure tall, 2 are hybrid tall and 1 is pure dwarf. So genotype is the 1:2:1. So this is a kind of test cross between these two hybrid plant. Now, sorry, this is the Punnett square between these two. Now, test cross. Here, the individual with the unknown genotype is crossed with a homozygous recessive individual. यानी कि जो अननोन जीनोटाइप है उसको एक रिसेसिव होमोजाइगस इंडिविजुअल द्वारा जब क्रॉस कराते हैं तो दिस इज ए काइंड ऑफ टेस्ट क्रॉस। दिस इज ए टेस्ट टू टेस्ट ऑफ द फिनोटाइप ऑफ द अननोन जीनोटाइप, यानी कि अननोन जीनोटाइप का फिनोटाइप देखने के लिए क्रॉस किया जाता है। फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज द, ये अननोन है हमारे लिए एंड दिस इज द व्हाइट फ्लावर प्लांट। नाउ इस अननोन के साथ इसे क्रॉस किया गया। इन F1 जनरेशन वी फाइंड दैट these are the violet color flower, यानी कि violet color के flower आए। When these violet color flower here, this is the heterozygous violet color flower further cross with the homozygous recessive, यानी कि white color का था hybrid violet cross with the homozygous recessive, then we find that the 50% of the plants were the hybrid violet, while 50% below the these are the pure white, they are the pure white, है ना, और the other recessive colored or recessive white colored plants, flower plants were obtained. So it is a kind of test cross. So this is all about some important terms regarding the lesson 5. Thank you and have a nice day.